Now, another new brand that recently rode into the market is Indian, the cult bike brand from the US. It's nice to see another arrival in India. Ashish Jha checked out the Chief.
Yes, it would possibly have been an insult if we started a review for a mechanical wonder like this by showing you this motorcycle standing still. Right from the very first twist of the throttle, you know the Indian Chief is all about torque and how. The torque spread is extremely linear, and at low revs all you need to do is just give the throttle a little hint of a twist and the Indian simply surges ahead. It's a beast all right, with 111 cubic inches or an easier to understand 1811cc in engine displacement. The Indian delivers 139 Nm of torque to the rear wheel. Just like other cruiser manufacturers like Harley-Davidson, Indian too has not revealed the horsepower figures for this engine. The 49-degree V-twin engine is air-cooled and operates via 3 camshafts. To bring down the noise and vibration levels, there is an engine speed balancer, but we have to say primary engine vibration is not completely eliminated, but that's kind of the point, because it gives you a really nice feel of that massive engine. The brakes are very progressive, with a reassuring bite every time you pull the lever. They do a massive job of making this colossal mass of metal come to rest in relatively quick time.
This motorcycle is all about attention to detail and starts right over there with the Indian emblem. Then you have the auxiliary headlamps, and the symmetry, I'm told, is continued throughout the design. The 2 bolts over here, there is a starter button and a fuel gauge over here, and then the whole thing just drops very, very seamlessly into the beautifully designed and beautifully executed fuel tank. The seat itself is very comfortable. I did not really have a lot of issues while riding it. The stitching and the silver accents look really, really nice. And just the way the whole machine is made, it's absolutely spectacular.
The bike stance is such that you also sit in a proper and very commanding riding position. The bars are set wide and the legs stretch out almost like you're sitting on a custom chopper. The Chief is a large motorcycle. It is wide, low, heavy, and all that makes it a tad lazy and cumbersome around tight bends and low speeds. Gather some speed though, and the Chief is simply magical on the open roads, feels rock solid at any speed, and gives the impression that it's got an undying appetite for the road. Yes, we will be very sad to see this bike going away. The Indian Chief is priced at 26,50,000 rupees ex-showroom Delhi, but it doesn't matter, because if you have the cash to buy it, chances are you already own a few other exotic machines. The bottom line is, the Indian is back, and how? And we couldn't be happier.